बाहर से खल्ला
अथक
ये सब देखो
सिल कोट ये सिल कोट है सर
सिल कोट है ये पूरा बालू है रे काम नहीं हुआ है हम आपको सच बोल रहे हैं देखो ये आपका भी रास्ता है मेरा भी रास्ता है ये किसी का मतलब कि बाप का तो रास्ता नहीं है ठीक है ये ऐसा करके ये 3 महीने के अंदर सब खत्म हो जाएगा ये है ना नया वाला मैं करूँ ये देखो ये
सर आप रोड हाईवे में भी जाके कर सकते हो वो भी ऐसे ही
नहीं आप डिफेंड करना चाहते हो तो आप डिफेंड
No,
करो
I'm not defending. I'm saying.
I'm just saying that the quality of work is bad.
No, I'm also saying.
Do you agree with the quality is bad or good? Do you think it's a good work?
If you say I don't have to say anything.
I'm not trying to target
No.
you or something.
If
but
you want to check, you can bring other people
but
also to check. I don't have.
see, what I want to tell is, your percentage of bitumen should have been a bit thick. See, look at the thickness here. Then your engineering point of view.
No,
this
thickness is 20 mm, sir.
20
So
mm.
20 mm में make कितना और 20 mm.
Are you saying this is the best quality road
No,
available?
I'm not saying this is the best quality.
Why are you arguing with me? Are you defending this work or you're not defending it?
I'm not defending anything.
So that's why I'm trying to say that I'm saying, you listen to me. What is your full name? Sorry, Tina? Nina Debarma. Nina, I am saying that this is not good quality work. That's what I'm saying. It is not for you. If it's the cost estimation is for the. By saying that this is good quality work, you're trying to defend the contractor. That's what I'm trying to say. So then just please stay silent. I'm handling what I'm doing. Don't argue. Now, why are you arguing? I'm not attacking you. I understand the system. This is not good quality work.
I think in the report and the paper and this issue cross check.
What my suggestion is, इसको वापस अगर पैसे का कमी है तो एस्टिमेट करके हम लोग भी अपना करके कर सकते हैं. We have to work together. No, we're not trying to.
No,
I want you all to.
no. The point is, this is the route. No, this is the route. So this route is for all. But if we go some other places,
I think
either the government is
listen,
doing
listen, listen. First of all, I think people are getting scared here. Nobody is attacking anyone. What I'm trying to say is that you are working in a system which we need to ensure that the roads in future are better. Yes. रास्ता अच्छा होना चाहिए.
Is there only intention?
There is no other intention of trying to attack anyone. I'm just trying to say that maybe the contractor may say that इतना कम budget दिया था.
Our intention should be common.
But this is not good quality work.
We need more quality.
No, this. You see, these things will come out any time. कि next monsoon में खराब हो जाएगा, तो फिर से करना पड़ेगा. ऐसा करके नहीं करके एक अच्छा से करना. Do you agree? Sir, do you agree?
he's silent.
Sama SDU already. Itu sudah punya. Okay, assistant. Okay, junior engineer. You satisfied ba?
You are junior engineer. Satisfied dog.
Itu apa jeta
Do you
2
think
setengah.
satisfactory or? Yeah, as per schedule. You say what 20?
20 mm.
Rang estimate क्या? Fund?
So my space is 14 km and 60 lakh.
Less.
60 lakhs.
Just less.
What we want is just carpeting or could be work or rent of work. Water percolation can be okay.
ये आप लोग ने मेजरमेंट किया है
filter
20
media.
mm का? आप लोग ने 20 mm का मेजरमेंट किया है? So what is the process now? How do you improve this?
Quality.
This is contractor estimate is done by PWD. Tender approved by our PWD.
ఒక ఉన్నాడు సపలు ఉన్నాడు
As in, you
టిష్యూ
want
పేపర్ ఉత్తు
Gorango Saha.
Gorango
Saha.
Saha. Where is he? Is he around? Is he from local? No. As a supervising officer, if they sign, he will not get it. If they are satisfied and if it is as per the no, नहीं किया ना आप लोगों ने साइन, तो आप लोग मत कीजिए, हम लोग को इसको रिविजिट करना पड़ेगा। I'll come back 2 दिन के बाद मैं वापस आता हूँ। So this is and I understand. हम आप लोग मत समझो कि हम आपका आप लोग जैसा बोला नहीं ना, I'm not taking credit. आप लोग first of all, I'm telling you this. Please don't understand. Don't think that I'm trying to do anything wrong here. I'm just trying to help a area where we all come from. Eventually, you have to write something at the end of the name. इसके लिए हम doing this. Don't take credit. You should absolutely take the credit when the road is good, and you should absolutely not take the credit when the road is not good. Because if you are not accountable, if the SDM is not accountable, if I am not accountable for the work we are doing, one thing which I don't appreciate is when you say, I do not want to take the credit. You have to take the credit when the work is good, and you have to take the discredit when the work is not good. We cannot just say that we are accountable to the people that we are getting paid for. That is one thing very clear. There is no two ways of thinking about it. Please get out of that old Babu Rajdam. That is not the way we want to work. We want to do something good for our people. I want to give you the credit if the work is good as well.